The kitchen feels warm tonight. I hear the soft rain outside, but only far away, like a quiet sound behind the walls. Inside, the air is warm and gentle. The light above the counter is soft and golden. I stand in front of the counter for a moment. The counter feels cool under my hands. My kitchen is small, but it feels perfect for me. There is a white towel folded on the table. There is a pot on the stove waiting for the fire. Everything feels calm and simple. I take a small knife from the drawer. The metal is cool and smooth. Then I place my cutting board on the counter. It makes a soft sound, a quiet tap. I look at the vegetables I will use. They are simple, but they look fresh and colorful. I see 2 red tomatoes. They are round and bright. I see 1 green zucchini. It looks long and smooth. I also see a small yellow onion. Its skin is thin and papery. I pick up the tomatoes. They feel cool in my hands. I wash them under the running water. The water is cooled on my fingers. I wash the zucchini too. The cold water makes the vegetable shine. I dry them with the white towel. I take the onion and peel it slowly. The dry skin makes a soft crackling sound. The inside of the onion is pale and smooth. I start to cut the tomatoes. The knife moves slowly. Tap, tap, tap. The pieces are soft and juicy. I place them in a small bowl. Then I cut the zucchini into thin slices. The slices look green and bright on the board. I put them next to the tomatoes. I cut the onion last. The smell is strong, but warm. I blink a little, but it feels okay. Cooking alone feels quiet and easy tonight. I take a moment and look around the kitchen again. The warm light makes the colors look soft. The pot on the stove waits for me. The wooden spoon rests beside it. Everything feels ready. The rain continues outside, soft and calm, but here, in the warm kitchen, I feel safe and peaceful. I walk to the stove slowly. The pot is already there, waiting. I place my hand above it, not touching, and I feel the cool metal. I turn on the stove. A small blue flame appears. It moves softly, like a little dance. The flame makes the kitchen feel warmer. I put the pot on the fire. The metal makes a light sound when it touches the stove. I wait for a moment, and I feel the warm air rise around me. I pour a little oil into the pot. The oil is light and golden. It moves slowly across the hot surface. Soon I hear a soft sound, a gentle sss. The warm smell of oil fills the air. I take the onion pieces and add them to the pot. They make a louder sss when they touch the hot oil. The smell becomes warm and sweet. It fills the whole kitchen. I use the wooden spoon to mix the onions. The spoon feels warm in my hand. The onions turn soft, then golden. The sound is gentle and rhythmic. I add the tomatoes next. They are juicy, and I hear a soft splash when they enter the pot. The red color mixes with the golden onions. The smell becomes richer, warm, soft, and sweet. I add the zucchini slices. The green pieces look bright in the warm pot. They move slowly as I stir them. The kitchen feels very warm now. The air is soft and full of the smell of vegetables. The golden light above the counter shines on the pot, making the colors look cozy and bright. I take a small pinch of salt and sprinkle it over the vegetables. The salt falls like tiny white snow. I mix everything again with the wooden spoon. The food begins to bubble softly. Bubble, bubble. The sound is calm and pleasant, like a tiny warm stream. I lean closer for a moment. The smell is gentle and comforting. It feels like home. The rain outside continues, quiet and far away. But here, inside the kitchen, everything feels warm and peaceful. The vegetables cook slowly in the warm pot. The soft bubble continues. Everything smells warm and gentle. I take a small white plate from the cabinet. The plate is simple and smooth. I place it on the counter beside the stove. I turn off the flame. The kitchen becomes a little quieter. Only the soft rain outside remains, calm and far away. I use the wooden spoon to take the warm vegetables from the pot. They slide softly onto the plate. Red, green, and golden colors together. The food looks simple, but it feels comforting. I take a small fork from the drawer. The metal feels cool in my hand. Then I take a glass of water and place it next to the plate. The table begins to look peaceful and ready. I carry the plate to my small dining table. My table is simple, just wood and warm light. I like it this way. The warm kitchen light makes the food look soft and bright. I sit down slowly. The chair makes a quiet sound. I place the plate in front of me. The warm smell rises again, calm and sweet. I take my first bite. The food is warm. The texture is soft. The taste is simple but comforting. I smile a little. It feels good. I eat slowly, one small bite at a time. The warm food and the warm kitchen make me feel relaxed. The rain outside continues softly. I look at the window for a moment. The drops slide down the glass, quiet and slow. Everything feels peaceful. I take another bite. The vegetables are warm and gentle. The plate feels steady in front of me. The kitchen feels safe and calm. I drink a little water. The glass feels cool in my hand. The cool water and the warm food make a soft balance inside me. I continue eating slowly. No hurry, no noise. Just the warm kitchen, the gentle rain, and my quiet dinner alone. For a moment, I breathe in deeply. I feel grateful for this simple dinner, for the warm food, for the calm night, for the soft rain outside. This moment feels enough. I finish my dinner slowly. The last bite is warm and soft. I feel calm and full in a gentle way. The warm food and the quiet rain make the night feel peaceful. I stand up and take my plate to the sink. The kitchen is warm and the soft golden light makes everything look cozy. I turn on the faucet. Warm water touches my fingers. It feels soft and pleasant. I take a small bottle of dish soap. I squeeze it, and the soap falls like a smooth drop. When the warm water touches it, white bubbles appear. The bubbles look light and pretty, soft circles that shine a little in the warm light. I place my plate under the water. The warm water moves across the surface. I wash the plate slowly with my hands. The bubbles feel smooth and gentle on my skin. It feels surprisingly nice, warm, soft, quiet. I wash the fork next. The metal feels warm from the water. The bubbles slide around it. They look almost like tiny white clouds. I rinse everything with more warm water. The sound is soft, a quiet flow. Shh. It mixes with the distant rain outside. I put the clean plate in the drying rack. It looks bright and simple. I wipe the counter with a small cloth. The surface becomes smooth and clean. The kitchen starts to look fresh and tidy. I look around for a moment. The warm pot is clean. The cutting board is clean. The counter is clean. The whole kitchen feels soft, warm, and organized. It feels good, deeply good. There is something peaceful about seeing everything in its place. I turn off the small kitchen light. The room becomes calm and quiet. Only the soft rain outside remains. The night feels warm and complete, and I feel calm inside.